In today's video, we will cover about this angiogenesis in pancreatic cancer. So before moving into the topic, let us first understand what is this angiogenesis means. Angiogenesis in normal terms, we can understand it as a formation of blood vessels. So in most of the solid tumors, this angiogenesis played an important role for providing the nutrients that are essential for the survivals of the tumor cells. In, and one of the strategies uh, that has been used to target solid tumors, pancreatic cancer, is to disrupt this angiogenesis formation so that the nutrient supplies to the tumor cells will get disrupted and they will not be able to proliferate or grow themselves. So in this video we will cover how this angiogenesis promote the pancreatic cancer or helps the pancreatic cancer to survive and proliferate. So these are we can say activated PSC or pancreatic stellate cells, and these PCCs are the pancreatic cancer cells. So what happens is that there is a paracrine crosstalk happens between pancreatic cancer cells and the activated PSCs. So most of you are not or some of you are not aware, might not aware of this paracrine terms. What is this paracrine means? Paracrine is we can say is a complementary of autocrine. See, in autocrine, what happens is that some cell relieves some growth factors that interacted with the same cell's receptor and helps in triggering some kind of signaling pathway within the cells. So that is called autocrine. In case of paracrine, what happens is that the cell release some kind of growth factors or any extracellular proteins that interacted with the other cells or that interacted with the receptors of the other cells. Then it is called a paracrine. So in this case, the paracrine crosstalk happens between pancreatic cancer cells and the pancreatic stellate cells. So these are the activated stellate cells, and also there is a paracrine stimulation occurs. So that this, in order to activate this PSC, first this paracrine stimulation occurs so that this PSC becomes quiescent, and thereafter the transformation occurs, then it will form an activated PSC, and this activated PSC will directly crosstalk with these pancreatic cancer cells, and that helps in triggering several factors that helps in the growth of the pancreatic cancers, and some of them that we have already covered in our previous videos, such as this we can say proliferation or angiogenesis, or this activated PSCs helps in the angiogenesis at the endothelial cells, so that the blood supply to these tumor cells will continue to exist and that can help in the transport of the nutrients that are essential for the cell survival. At the same time, these activated PSCs will also help in the immune suppression. So the activated because of the immune suppression, the the immune system of the host will not be able to act against these PSCs as efficiently as it can act, and also it will cause the pain factors, such as several pain factors that cause the pains to the patients by impacting the nerve cells. And one of the main function that helps in the evasion of this pancreatic cancer cells from the immune response is via development of this ECM production or extracellular matrix production. So this provide a physical barrier to this pancreatic. So this provide a physical barrier between the immune cells and the pancreatic cancer cells. So thereby preventing the immune system to act upon these pancreatic cancer cells. So although I shouldn't have made this headline, that is angiogenesis in pancreatic cancer, as there is only a small portion that is covered or that is linked to this angiogenesis, where the activated PSCs helps in the formation of this angiogenesis and in the endothelial cells. So what happens in the strategy or therapeutic strategy is that this angiogenesis formations, these pathways will be targeted by the anti-angiogenesis therapies against the solid tumors, so that this pancreatic so that the solid tumors nutrient supply will get disrupted. However, in this video I have not covered how this angiogenesis signaling pathway in detail get triggered, so I will cover that thing in some future video. However, this is just a basic overview how the angiogenesis is related to this pancreatic cancer cells. If you need to understand more about this pancreatic cancer cells and angiogenesis relation, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.